As you're reading this book, The Powers of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy, at the end of every chapter, there's lots of good things here, and it's called Ideas to Remember, and it just kind of talks about what it's already read to you in each chapter. And here is the chapter 12, Ideas to Remember. Number 1, remember that the subconscious mind has determined the success and wonderful achievements of all great scientific workers. Number 2, by giving your conscious attention and devotion to the solution of a perplexing problem, your subconscious mind gathers all the necessary information and presents its full-blown to the conscious mind. Number 3, if you are wondering about the answer to a problem, try to solve it objectively. Get all the information you can from research and also from others. If no answer comes, turn it over to your subconscious mind prior to sleep, and the answer always comes. It never fails. I'm going to read number 2 again. By giving your conscious attention and devotion to the solution of a perplexing problem, your subconscious mind gathers all the necessary information and presents it full-blown to the conscious mind. Number 4, you do not always get the answer overnight. Keep on turning your request over to your subconscious until the day breaks and the shadows flee away. Number 5, you delay the answer by thinking it will take a long time or that it is a major problem. Your subconscious has no problem. It knows only the answer. Number 6, believe that you have the answer now. Feel the joy of the answer in the way you would feel if you had the perfect answer. Your subconscious will respond to your feeling. Number 7, any mental picture backed by faith and perseverance will come to pass through the miracle working power of your subconscious. Trust it, believe in its power, and wonders will happen as you pray. Number 8, your subconscious is the storehouse of memory, and within your subconscious are recorded all your experiences since childhood. Number 9, scientists meditating on ancient scrolls, temples, fossils, and other evidence are able to reconstruct scenes of the past and make them alive today. Their subconscious minds come to their aid. Number 10, turn over your request for a solution to your subconscious prior to sleep. Trust it and believe in it, and the answer will come. It knows all and sees all, but you must not doubt or question its powers. Number 11, the action is your thought, and the reaction is the response of your subconscious mind. If your thoughts are wise, your actions and decisions will be wise. Number 12, guidance comes as a feeling, an inner awareness, an overpowering hunch whereby you know that you know. It is an inner sense of touch. Follow it with the simplicity of faith. Hey, your subconscious mind is the most powerful thing you have in your body. Learn how to use it, how to apply it properly, and it can change your life. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.